Imagine a world where your car is more than just a vehicle. It's an intelligent companion, anticipating your every need, adapting to your driving style, and navigating with effortless precision. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of the automotive industry, powered by artificial intelligence. From autonomous driving to personalized in-car experiences, AI is transforming the way we move. In manufacturing, AI is a game changer, optimizing production lines, enhancing precision, and minimizing downtime. The result? Defect-free vehicles rolling off the line faster than ever. AI doesn't just enhance how cars are made, it redefines reliability. With predictive analytics, potential issues are flagged before they happen, offering unparalleled safety, reliability, and customer satisfaction. In the era of electric vehicles, AI is the driving force behind sustainability, maximizing energy efficiency, providing smarter and greener mobility. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. The future of the automotive industry is here. Smarter, safer, and more sustainable transportation. At Openxcell, we specialize in crafting intelligent AI applications tailored to your business needs. Whether you're looking to automate manufacturing processes, enhance customer experiences, or drive innovation with advanced analytics, we're here to make it possible. Using cutting-edge technology, we help businesses like yours harness AI's full potential. From smarter cars to smarter businesses, Openxcell is your partner in innovation. Let's drive the future of the automotive industry together. Visit our website to get started today. Connect now for a free AI consultation.